Hi guys, welcome back. So sorry the curtains are closed, it's really bright outside and it was having like a really bad glare in the camera. But as you probably can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and kind of setting up and like my first impressions of a camera. I have wanted this camera for like over a year now and I finally took the plunge and got it. So it's just the Canon Powershot G7x Mark II. I didn't upgrade to the Mark III just because I kept getting like a lot of mixed reviews online about that, and like people said it wasn't really focusing on their face very well. But this one is still got good reviews. Even to this day people are still saying this is a good camera, so yeah. I did take it out of the like packaging it came in. It just came like a little plastic thing, but that was just basically to make sure it was what it was. So yeah, it just comes like this, and I got the vlogger kit, so it comes with the camera, a gorilla pod and a memory card. I'm not sure how much this was. Okay, so I went with the vlogger kit because A, it has the gorilla tripod, so if I do want to like film when I'm going out for a walk or anything, or I just want it to stand up, I can just use that. I don't have to pay out extra to go get one. And I got mine from Curry's. I'm just looking on the laptop now to see how much it was. So the camera itself would have been £569, but if you get the vlogger kit, it's only £529, so like you're saving a bit of money there. So I ordered this on the Sunday I believe, and I got it on the Tuesday, and it is currently Thursday and I have waited to like actually open it. Like I haven't gone in and like open this bit or anything, I have not touched it, just taken off the outer wrapping. Yeah, but I've kind of been waiting to do it on camera, so I'm gonna open it. I am going to do like a little side-by-side kind of test with a picture and a video clip of it on my phone versus the camera. So yeah, I'm just going to get into the box, which apparently is already a struggle for me. There we go. So it just opens like this. Then I've got this thing here, which is the guide to vlogging. Apparently it's got like a few different cameras on there. The first thing I see is my gorilla pod, so I'm just going to take this out of the wrapping. So yeah, it just looks like this, and then yeah, it just has like that, so you can kind of bend it any way you want. I'm going to take this out. So it comes with like this little papery bit on there. Just take that off. And then yeah. So you can bend it. Have them all together. Gorilla pod, and then oh, getting attacked in the face. So there's the camera there. Like the box itself feels a bit heavier than what I thought it was going to feel like, but there it is. And then there we go. I was trying to find the bit where you open it. Okay, so then that opens up like this. And I've got this, I just got the 32GB memory card. I'll probably get a bigger one at some point. What's this? You got your like warranty thing in here. Oh my god. Ah, that's fine. Not very good. Safety precautions booklet. And then you've got like your getting started booklet. Obviously we'll have a bit about everything. I'll have a look at that in a minute. So then you've got this. I'm guessing this is to like charge the battery and everything, so I will make a start on that in a moment or so. Also we got this is just like a little strap in case you want to put the camera on your wrist. This is the battery, and then this is the little charging thing for the battery, so I'll just show you them quickly. So yeah, the battery will just go in there, and then that little plug will go there, and then the camera itself comes in this. And yeah, it's a bit heavier than I thought. I don't know why I thought it'd be like lighter. I don't know. Yeah, this is the camera, the back. So I don't know what that is. Very good. So that's where the battery goes in. So I'm just gonna put the battery in quickly. I know it's gonna need a charge, but you know. So to open this bit, you like have this little button here, and you just want to move it that way and then move it that way to lock it. And then this is my viewfinder, so I just slip it up, and then yes, as I'm filming I can have it like that and I'll be able to see, but obviously it's going to take a little bit of time to like get used to not looking at the viewfinder and look at the camera. Hey, you can also move it like that, so if you want like a bit more of a, you can have it like that, put it down, depends how you want, how you're more comfortable holding it type of thing. Okay, so I'm just going to press the on off button here. So it says set date. I don't think you'll be able to see that, but that says set date and time. So I'm just going to quickly set the date and time. Which is today is the 18th. So, don't know if you'll be able to see this, but I'll try to show you. So to go across, you just press this little bit, and then that says the first in the minute. So I'm just gonna turn this and it'll go up, so down to the second, and then I'm just gonna keep doing that with everything else. I do not know what the time is. What is the time? So it's currently 1:26, so that's that. And when I'm looking at like the camera on this, it looks so good. Oh yeah, and this is also like touchscreen as well, so it focuses like really well. So I'm gonna put it like this for you guys, and I'm just gonna kind of like point it to myself for the minute, just so you can see what it would look like on the camera as well. But yeah, like I think it focuses really well on the camera. Yeah. So I'm just going to turn it off. I'm going to charge it up, and then once it's charged up, I'm going to come back and kind of show you how I'm setting it up and everything like that, and we'll do a little picture test, and then we will do a video test. Okay, so I've put my camera on charge, and I will just quickly show you it. So when the battery is charging, I know that was such a great view of me just then, it like has a orangey red kind of light. So I've plugged it into my socket, and then I'll put the battery here, and then yeah, this is the charge, and it'll switch to this one when it's done. That just says full, and that'll go green. And then I just thought while it's charging, I'm gonna put my little strap on. I don't really think I'm gonna use a strap, but I don't also want to lose it in case I do need it. So I'm going to quickly put it on, and I will show you how I'm doing that kind of thing. Okay, so I'm right-handed, and I like to kind of, I'd want it on my right hand to use it. So I'm just going to get this little bit. I'm probably going to buy like a screen protector for this at some point because it's already getting dusty. And I've already like cleaned it like I'm just going to kind of put it on the bed so it's kind of standing up for me a little. And then I'm just going to try and push this through. Like that. And then I'm just going to tie it. Because I'm guessing that's how you do that. Okay, so tying something one-handed is quite hard. Okay, so I just tried to do that and apparently I did it wrong. So I looked in the manual and see, I looked in the manual and it shows it like that. So let's try this again. Oh wait, there's his facing that way. Oh, I've even put it in the wrong way. Right, so I've just got to try and push that in. I'm following these pictures, I suppose. And then, so yeah, push that in. And apparently I go like this. So you go like this, and then I'm just gonna push that like that, and then pull that tighter. Oh, but then it comes up. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to go. Hopefully that stays. Let's test out my wrist, shall we? So that's what it's like when you're holding it on your wrist. So yeah, I'll wait for the battery to charge and then we will go ahead and set up this camera. But so far I am really liking it. Like, it's really easy at the minute, so that's good because I do get confused very easily and very fast. So okay, so my battery pack has fully charged now, so I'm going to put this into the camera and then we will start setting up the camera. Yesterday I charged up the battery pack for the camera and then I put the battery pack into the camera. So today I'm just going to try and film me setting it up and yeah, do a little test of like a picture both on my phone and then a picture on my camera, and the same with a video to see like what quality is better. So in the camera manual it says that once you've inserted the battery pack to basically insert the memory card. So that's what I'm going to do. So I only have the 32GB at the minute, but I am going to get a bigger one at some point. So you put the memory card in the same place that you put the battery, pretty much. So this bit you just want to slide and then it'll open. I'm just going to do that now. Just open and then I'll... So there's like a little, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there's a hole there and that's where the memory card goes in. And it does show you which way to put it in. So I'm just going to open up the card and then insert it. Okay, so it's basically telling me to insert it this way. So that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, when it's, you can push it out and then push it in. So let's see what else the manual says. Then it just says to close the cover, so I've done that. So yeah, the on off button is here, that one there. So hi guys, so I've been editing the video and realised I lost some footage and I don't know where it's gone. But basically on there it was just me putting in the memory card and then I took a photo on my camera and then I took a photo on my phone. Just thought I'd tell you that so you didn't think that I didn't film me doing it or anything. But yeah, I've got the picture still, so that'll be in the clip. Okay, so I saw that I'd lost even more footage. Unfortunately, I really don't know how. But hey, so yeah, the first photo was taken on my phone and the second photo was taken on the camera. I personally think that the second photo is a lot more in focus and a lot brighter and the image is just a lot more crisp. Yeah, I've really enjoyed using the camera so far. I mean, it's been really easy and beginner friendly and it's just easy to learn. And I'm really liking the quality, and the focus and everything like that. So yeah, I would recommend this camera to any beginners out there. Okay, so this clip is basically just to show you the quality of my phone camera. Yeah, so it's just a quick little clip, and then in a minute I will show you a clip on my camera. Okay, so I've just switched over to the camera, and hopefully you can notice the difference. When I look in the viewfinder, I think it looks like a lot better quality. I mean, you can see my bags under my eyes even more now, so that's perfect. But yeah, it's going to take a while to get used to looking just straight at the lens rather than at the viewfinder. But yeah, I do think this video so far is a better quality. Obviously I'll find out a bit more when I like edit and everything. I'll be able to hear the sound difference, etc, etc. So for the price I paid for this camera, I personally do think that it's worth it. It's very beginner friendly, it's very easy to use, and so far the quality is quite good, like if not amazing for me. Like the accessories that came with it are really good as well. I do like how easy and like beginner friendly it's made everything, because I'm not very good with that. Pictures wise, I definitely think the camera quality is so much better than my iPhone, and so far with the video as well, I do think this is better quality. So yeah, I definitely would recommend, if you're looking for like a beginner friendly camera, would definitely recommend this one. Yeah, I personally love it so far, and I'm really happy that I did get it in the end. So yeah, I hope you all really liked this video, and I hope you guys, like, if you are wanting to buy a camera, this could have possibly helped you out a little bit, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.